Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you caught our last video, you know we got into the nitty-gritty of preventative maintenance for your transmission. If you haven't seen it yet, go check it out now. Today, we're continuing that focus on protecting your vehicle. When you're driving, road hazards are a constant concern, and a damaged tire can be a major headache. That's why today we're going to answer some of the most commonly asked questions about our tire protection plan. Let's get started. Let's get it started.
So I just got new tires, but I'm worried about road hazards. What if I get a nail or hit a pothole? Is there anything I can do to protect them?
Road hazards are a real concern. That's why we offer our tire protection plan. It's designed to protect your investment and give you peace of mind.
Okay, a tire protection plan. What exactly does that cover?
Our plan is more than just a warranty. It's a defense against everyday road hazards. The coverage is really straightforward.
So what's the biggest benefit?
There are many wonderful benefits that our tire protection plan has to offer. The biggest benefit being free tire repair. If your tire gets a nail in it or any puncture that can be easily fixed, we will repair it for you at no cost. That also includes remounting and rebalancing the tire for free.
And what if the tire can't be repaired?
If the tire is too damaged to be repaired within the first year, we'll replace it for free. After the first year, the replacement is on a prorated basis.
Can you explain what prorated means?
It's simple. You get credit towards your new tire based on how much tread life is left in your damaged tire. So you're never left stranded without a solution.
What about other services? Does the plan include anything else?
Absolutely. The plan includes free tire rotations every 6,000 miles, and it includes free safety inspections for any other service you bring your car in for. This helps keep your tires in great shape and helps extend their life.
That sounds great. What's not covered? I want to make sure I understand everything.
That's fair. This plan protects against road hazards. It does not cover damage from accidents, deliberate misuse, or improper inflation. This plan is designed to help you, not to be a replacement for proper tire care.
So if I get a new set of tires, what do I need to do to get the protection plan?
It's really simple. We'll offer the plan to you when you purchase new tires. Then all you need to do is keep your original invoice. If you ever have an issue, just bring the tire and the invoice directly to us. Our certified technicians take it from there.
So really, it's a smart investment?
It really is. Tires are one of the most important safety features on your vehicle. Choosing to protect that investment with our tire protection plan is a smart and proactive choice. It gives you peace of mind and helps you avoid unexpected costs down the road. And that about covers it. If you have any questions or you're ready to get new tires, come see our team at one of our 4 Berks County locations in Reading, Birdsboro, Sinking Spring, or Wyomissing, Pennsylvania. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel because next time we're going to be talking all about understanding alignments, wheel balancing, and when your car will need it. We'll see you then.